Yo, what is up guys? Back with another video. In today's video, I got some smart plugs. You might be wondering what do you mean by that? I got some smart plugs. As if you didn't know, I have a Google Home. I want to use these smart plugs to control some of my lighting in here with my voice. So I think that would be a lot more helpful. I think that would help me a lot more instead of just walking up to and go like, or turn it off, you know, because my current light source is back behind me, so, and I don't want to like flip the switch every freaking time, so that's why I got these. I got two of them, so I got one of them for my main light and one of them for my night light. So I'm gonna, yeah, it'll be a lot easier to control all this. But anyway, let's just get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, we're in the unboxing phase now. Let's crack this thing open here. And here it is, guys. Wait, is there another one in here? No. Okay. Maybe this one has two of them in here, but here it is, guys. Yep, it has two of them here. Alright. So yeah, here are the smart plugs. There's some instructions on them. But yeah, I don't bore you with that. But here we go. And here are the plugs here. Take these off. And here are the plugs, guys. You can turn them on here on the side. But these here are the smart plugs here, so I can like control my lighting. And yeah guys, so this is what this is. It's a pretty short unboxing and not that long, but let's hook these up and see if they work. So let's get right back to see if they work. Alright guys, so I finally got this thing set up, and you ready for this? Okay Google, turn off light. Boom, and there it is guys, it works. Still have to set up one more, so I'll do it off camera, but okay Google, turn on light. Boom, it works guys.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It's so cool guys, it's so cool. Let me know what you think of it. Alright guys, so that was the test of the Google Home. I thought that was sick, so let me know what you think of it. But anyway, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully be back with another video soon. And better guys. Peace out.